Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing solutions, the Scrubba wash bag and the portable washing machine. Today, we will dive into their features, pros and cons, and help you decide which one is the best fit for your travel and laundry needs. The Scrubba wash bag is incredibly lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry in your backpack or luggage. Weighing only 5.3 ounces, it requires no electricity, allowing you to wash your clothes anywhere. In contrast, the portable washing machine, while still compact, is heavier at 3.3 pounds and requires a power source, making it less convenient for travel. When it comes to capacity, the Scrubba wash bag can handle small to medium laundry loads, but may require multiple washes for larger items. On the other hand, the portable washing machine boasts a 13L capacity, allowing you to wash more clothes at once, making it more suitable for those who need to do laundry for multiple items at a time. The Scrubba wash bag requires manual operation, which can be a bit labor-intensive, especially for those not used to washing clothes by hand. However, it is straightforward to use. In contrast, the portable washing machine offers electric operation with multiple washing modes, making it more convenient for users who prefer a hands-off approach. In conclusion, both the Scrubba wash bag and the portable washing machine have their unique advantages. If you prioritize portability and manual operation, the Scrubba is an excellent choice. However, if you need a larger capacity and the convenience of electric washing, the portable washing machine is the way to go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.